Hello everybody, Forest Spinner back here. Just going to make a video on my Fetters air conditioner. Just uploaded a video of cleaning this grill cover. This is what it looks like inside. Notice that it has no knobs. Remember I said that? That one's fried. But this is going to be a little in-depth review sort of thing. I don't know, not really. Kind of thing. But we're going to quote-unquote start it up. We're going to turn it on and stuff. Alright, first thing you're going to notice here is it has adjustable, vent airflow. And you can point it to wherever you want. I keep it straight because it blows out into the room. And second thing you'll notice is you can make it cooler by using a pair of pliers like this. This is how I do that. Show you. This is on cold mode. Hear that click? Compressor. Switch. Alright, so I set these down right here. This is a plug. Just simple little plug thing. Just plug it in. And it is currently stuck on high cool, which forever it'll be stuck on high cool. So, yeah. It is a Fetters AC. It's a 5,000 BTU air conditioning system. The model is a A3X05F2A. So look that up. And yeah. Another thing you can notice is the filter. The filter comes out right here. It's clean. Just gotta let it sit in there. Also, you can notice it's outside of it right there. It's raining. There's a very unique sound to it. Gold. I think that's why it's loose. But why don't we go ahead and turn it on? So what you're gonna do? This is it. Lower wheel. Buggy guy flying around. Don't know why. Moth. This distance. Close this room pretty good. So then I'll be pointing that way. That way. Alright, so now we're going to shut her down. Simply just pull the plug. See? It's a unique sound. Can't see it. Just barely though. The fan is spinning. They don't look like it's spinning quite fast. And then done, almost. Takes forever. And it's pretty much what happens with it. Fetter's air conditioner, people. They're built to last, apparently. Ford's little logo thingy. And finally, it has decided to almost stop. Gravity. I don't know if it's gonna ever stop. There we go. Now it's going back the other way. It's loose, I tell you, it's all loose. But, yeah. This air conditioner's got some miles on it. Quote unquote. Miles. It's funny. Yeah. It's missing one of its side wings panels, like its housing panels, so I salvaged it for a piece of cardboard. Very, very strong cardboard. And under here as well. Pretty strong, I guess. Keep that. But as you can feel, there's like no, or you guys can't really feel it, but there's no air passing through. Give this a try. Thank you for watching my video on my Fetter's air conditioner A3X05 F2A model air conditioner. I keep looking over there because it's a lot of stuff to remember. Okay, so hope you enjoyed the video on it. Please subscribe. Please drop a like, thumbs up, subscribe. Hope you all have a good day, and over. Buena Vista, I guess. All kinds of stuff. Buena Vista is either hello or goodbye, but goodbye. Have a good day. Please leave a like and subscribe. Leave a comment too. Alright, bye.